Right, I want to put 2 bolts in the other side of that seat.
Right.
I don't know if it's 10mm or 30mm. I can't find them or anything, but I think I've got some in that box. I've got a load of bits that
What box?
There's a box over there. If you go and have a look in the box over there.
Oh, that big black box?
Yeah.
What, are in there?
Yeah.
Well, no wonder you can't find them.
No, there's not the ones. They're not the ones. They're the ones that I've got spares, if you see what I mean.
I'll have a look.
Yeah, all right.
This box in here then, is it?
That's one.
What, a 10mm and a 13mm?
Yeah, you have to get in.
The little bits you put
they're
on the
right.
ratchets.
They're probably right at the bottom. You'll have to get right in there.
Oh, come on! It's full of stuff. I'm never gonna.
Get in there.
I'm never gonna.
There's plenty of room in there for you and all.
Oh well, if I get in, I ain't treading on anything, am I? Nothing
you're
important.
right.
I'm not gonna break anything.
No, just get in.
Oh dear! Look, what?
Just get in. Shut up and get in. Come on.
What sort of colour box am I looking for?
It's not in a box. It's just separate.
It's just loose.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on, it might be. Is this? What's this shiny bit down here? Look,
it could be
see if
that.
that's it. See if that's it.
Adam, where you going, mate? Where you going, Adam?
What's going on, mate? Adam? Hang on a minute, where's my light on my phone? Hang on a minute. That's better. Right. Adam! Oi! What are you doing? Adam? Adam!